So the first step is we're going to get a cupcake liner from the box. So these are really sturdy, they're thicker than the regular cupcake liners. And all you need to do is smash them. And I use my finger to just make them a little bit stretched. And then that's it. What I do is I get a this is a 1 3/4 punch, and I'm gonna glue the front and the back just to straighten it. I'm gonna start with the back, just glue that because it's gonna give it a little strength to open up the flower. So after that, this is what it's gonna look like. Next, you're gonna put your center. I like to use some foam tape. So I'm going to use foam tape on that just to give it a little pop. So a little bit of foam tape that I got from the Dollar Tree. There. Okay, so just remove that. Okay, next. Put it right there. The collection, the Horizon collection, matches this perfectly. And then after that, let me get a piece of paper. Maybe this one would match for the center. So I'm going to do a little light pink that I just punched. I think that looks perfect. So again, I'm going to get some foam tape there, because this is what we want it to look like. That's our model. These are our inspiration right there. So you want to be inspired by those. And then, so the cupcake liners are so easy because they're already folded. And all you need to do is unfold them a little bit and put like 2 punched circles to make them sturdier, and then decorate. It's so quick and easy. For this one, I used the stitched circle dies that I got from AliExpress, which looks like this. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. So this is our center. Next, we can just find a decoration for it. I have with me this sticker collection for Horizon, which is this one. And I also have the flower, like the flower embellishment. That's what I have on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. So let's see what we have. Let's see what works well. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So the big flowers are probably a no because it's going to overwhelm everything. So we have a choice between this one, which is kind of cute. Let's see what we have. This one, which is a little bit too pink. Yeah, it's a little bit too big. About, I think I like this one, so I'm just gonna put it to the side. And then let's see what we got. About that, yes, that looks good. So I'm gonna remove these. Remove that here. Right there. Right there. I just think it's too big. I think it's a little tad too big. I think this would be better. Not sure. Is that okay? Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's so much better. So we're gonna do that. And I'm probably gonna snip this stem. Okay, this is already big enough. So I'm gonna leave that there. Right there. And then I made these tiny little flowers that I use my scraps. I've been using them because they're so cute. Look. So this is what I use. So it gives me like a different color. So I'm gonna add that. Like glue gun. It gives a little bit of something more, and it helps me use my scraps. A little bit more glue. And the other side. There. Then let's get a sentiment from Sticker Collection. What do we have here? To explore, travel far. Maybe sunshine would be good. Or happiness. But it's a little too big, so let me just cut that. Okay. A little still too big. And I think this would be perfect right there. I'm going to put a little bit of glue, just a tad, just to support it. And then right there. I hope you enjoy this project share, and I hope that you were inspired to make your own decorative rosettes using what you can find, the Sweet Tooth Fairy baking cups that you can find at your local Tuesday Morning or Home Goods. I saw this at Joann's too. They have the unicorn version. So I hope it inspired you to make these using your scraps that you have on hand. You can use these to decorate packages, make wands, pretty much anything to decorate your projects. I hope you had a great time. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try to respond as soon as I can. Have a great day crafting. Bye!